So I'm going to tell you some people. You see, if your food is not worth sampling by you, then it means people not have to try it.
It's Whimsical Wednesday, and I am your girl Norleen with today's quick fix.
Alright guys, welcome to my kitchen. So I have a piece of salmon that I have washed and cleaned, and I pour warm water over it so that I can get the flakes defined. I'm using my fork and then I will use my knife to chop the salmon finely. So in a bowl guys, I've added a cup and a half of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste is just a pinch of salt. Guys, I've added some garlic salt and Montreal steak season, 2 teaspoons of blended season, and the chopped salmon, some chopped onions, some chopped green pepper. Guys, all of that information will be in the description box. Add to that a cup and a third of water, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, blended peppers, some fresh tomatoes and bell pepper, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Guys, we're gonna mix that in with a zest of lemon, and I'm gonna allow that to sit for about 10 minutes. Now people, I've added oil to the pot and with 3 small pegs of garlic, and I'm just gonna add the dough or the mixture to the oil and allow them to fry until they're golden brown. Leave it to drain on a napkin guys, and then I've served it for you. It is my salmon fritters people with sweet and sour sauce, a cup of hot chocolate guys, with boiled eggs and some fresh onions. Guys, it does not get better than this. Breakfast is served. All right guys, so here is my breakfast. It is salmon fritters served with boiled eggs, my orange slices, and of course a cup of hot chocolate, and the dipping of course is the sweet and sour dipping. People, see there, my breakfast is served. So I'm gonna go in with my salmon fritters, and I'm dipping it in the sauce, the dipping. And guys, I'll tell you something. So the dipping, it has a kind of smoke, little barbecue-ish taste. And when you add that to the fritters people, this is heavenly. This is a must try for you guys. When I say must, is a must try. The information for this sauce will be in the description box guys, but if you can't get it, you can make your own sauce, your own dipping sauce. You can make your own sweet and sour sauce, or you can use some tartar sauce. It works perfectly well too. So while I'm having my breakfast, I thought it's best to share with you the scripture in our week of prayer. It's Ephesians 3 verse 18. Now this is a continuation, and it says, may be able to comprehend with all saints what is the breadth and length and depth and height, and to know the love of Christ which passeth knowledge, that he might be filled with all the fullness of God. What a wonderful, what a powerful scripture. We are not able to even comprehend Christ's love for us. And so I'm going to let that just settle this morning while you sip on your tea. All right, people. So, you see the fresh onion? I have it there for a reason. You see when you get the burst of fresh onion flavor on your fritters, not bad, so. This can be an appetizer, it can be a breakfast, it can be a snack for the kids. Whatever you choose with your fritters, it's really up to you. It's your business. or you eat your fritters. It's your business what you add to it. So, from my kitchen, from my pot, onto my daughter's table, people. Salmon fritters with sweet and sour dipping. It bad. Remember guys, like my video, subscribe to my channel. Remember, turn on your post notification bells. Remember people, share it with your friends. Let them know a food we prepare. Come get your share. Follow me on Instagram at wins2020. People, you see that red writing under this video that marks subscribe? Just select it and turn on the post notification bell. Select subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Follow me right through 2021. I'm gonna have some interesting Jamaican meals for you and some that I got from my friends who live abroad. Remember people, love you all. 2021, it's gonna be a better year than 2020. Love you all. Peace. Teachers out.